Happy Sunday to everybody. This is David with Parts and Pieces. How you doing? And this is
Callie.
Guys, I know I promised y'all some mud. As you know, I live in Florida. Right now, we've been in a little bit of a drought where I'm at. We have not had rain for at least a couple of weeks or more that I know of. And the water that I do have, I can get in. They've been using a lot out of this pond for their use out here where I'm at. We're gonna try to find some mud. I can't promise you anything. We'll do what we can. I have some woods to drive through. We have the snapper here. Spinner. But we'll try to make it fun for y'all. But we're gonna head down to the mud hole, and we'll see y'all here in a little bit. Stay tuned. Peace out. Hey guys, we found a little bit of mud. It's not going to be what y'all want exactly, but I'm going to try to make this ride as fun as possible and show you what it'll do, kind of. I have tested it just a little bit. I did put a little bit of air in the tires yesterday. If you watched the last video, I got a little rough with it. Did pull the tire off the side of the bead just a little bit. It didn't come off, it just came off just a little bit, slid over. So I went ahead and put some, I think it was about 5 pounds of pressure in it, let it out. Maybe about 2.5 is what I have in there now, just to kind of keep it on the actual rim. But I know y'all can see it behind us. I got a little bit of mud on it now, guys. It ain't pretty. This stuff stinks. It stinks. This is called muck. It's not mud, it's just nasty stuff. Callie here is going to be taking some video from outside the mud hole so y'all can see what I'm doing. Hopefully the GoPro does a good enough job. I'm going to give you a quick look at this mower. I did develop an issue when I came out here. When we first got out here, I started going through the mud. I'm going to show you what my issue is. It's nothing big. It's just going to be a pain starting it every once in a while. But anyway, me and her are going to get this stuff set up. I'm going to give you a quick look at this, and then we're going to get to trying to get some mud slung on this thing. That way it's not so pretty anymore. But let's see what we can do. Hold on 1 second. All right, guys, like I said, I'm out here. I got a little bit. It's dry, very, very dry, but I think I can make something happen out of this. The issue I developed, nothing major, but it is a pain in my butt because I didn't bring no string with me. But anyway, well, obviously you saw I broke the pull cord. It broke the wheel, the spring, it all. I don't know exactly what happened, but it's the metal piece flew off. It's gone. It broke. So now I got to go old school with it. I know this is not the right way of doing it. This is very dangerous. Don't do this, guys. If you're gonna do this, put a pulley on it. I am kind of out here in the middle of nowhere right now, so I don't have anything. This is what's going to get me around. We'll be very careful. Like I said, I don't recommend doing this, but need a pulley on top of this. I'm going to fix this whole starting setup a little bit better eventually. But all right, guys, like I said, we are out here. We're in the mud. We do have a little bit of woods driving we're going to do too. I found a couple trails that we're going to go down through the woods. I'm going to leave the air in the tires. So like I said, 2 or 3 pounds, at least keep them on there. Found out when I do get pretty rough with it, it will kind of slide it off the edge. It didn't pop off, like I said, but it's good. But let's see what we can do with what we got. Alright, guys, I got a little bit of mud. There's some mud on it. It wasn't a very big mud hole, but it works. It got a little bit muddy. Actually, that's the littlest mud hole I've ever seen in my life, and y'all are gonna laugh, but it's dry. It really is. The pond's being dried up right now because they're using the water. We're gonna do a little driving around and figure out where we can go, what we're gonna do. I do know some woods, trail riding, that's coming up. Let me show you why I'm not gonna bury this thing in the mud, guys. I took the battery out and I have never looked at this belt until now. And I don't know if I can get y'all down in there, but if y'all can see, the transmission belt is shot. I mean, shot. It is stretched out so bad. Going through here when I shift, it wants to start slipping really bad. So, like I said, I got to get that belt, but with everything going on, my family, we're just staying at the house, chilling out. We're really not going to town, and I don't even think the hardware store is open that I'm going to be going to. So we're going to run what we got. If it breaks, I'll be towed home, but in the mud, I'm not going to bury it up and have the belt break on me. So that will come. We're going to get more mud as soon as it rains. I promise, guys, we will be out here. But like I said, let's go see if we can find another little mud hole or two. Trail riding now, guys. I wanted to see what the snapper would do just the way it is. She tried to cross. Let's see if she can make it without me pulling her. Go ahead, give her what she's got. least I know it ain't gonna get stuck. That was cool seeing both tires spin. I wonder if it's got some kind of different transmission in it. All right, guys, hold on. We're gonna get to going through some woods in the shade here in a minute. hey guys, like I was saying, we tested the crud out of him for you. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Use your VR. I bet you'll love it. I bet it'll be a little scary too, but she gave me that idea about using the VR with the GoPro stuff, and it does work. It is really cool. Hopefully y'all try it out. I will get Ratchet all pieced back together. I'll get it all fixed. Maybe we'll make a video or two of what I do with the belt and fixing that. So like I said, hope y'all enjoy it. Y'all stay tuned. Peace out. Wait. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.